Welcome back to online learning classes. Chapter number 12, and the chapter name is Introduction to Acid and Base. We consume many food items in our daily life. For example, lemon, bitter gourd, sugar, etc. Do all items taste similarly? No, all items do not taste similarly because some taste sour, some bitter, and some sweet. Now we will see about acid and base in detail. First, we will see acid. What is acid? Acid means compounds impacting sour taste are called acids. Acids are soluble in water and they are corrosive in nature. Animals and plants also possess acid in them. Acids present in foodstuffs are called natural acids or carbonic acids. These acids are weak acid. Some acids are strong in nature. They are caustic or inflammatory. For example, sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrochloric acid HCl, and nitric acid HNO3. These acids are also called mineral acids. Acids found in nature in fruits as well as vegetable. In detail we will see now. Some acids we know, for example orange, lemon, in that it contains citric acid. In kitchen we use vinegar bottle. Vinegar is contain dilute acetic acid. Guava fruit contain ascorbic acid. Malic acid is found in many fruits. Apple has quite rich in ascorbic acid. Children like pizza. On that pizza, we will see cheese. Cheese contains lactic acid, and in curd also lactic acid is present. Now we will see base. Thus, those substances whose aqueous solutions have bitter taste and a slippery feel are called bases. Water soluble bases are known as alkali. Now, in detail, once again I am telling, substance having astringent or bitter taste and slippery to touch are called bases. For example, lime water, baking soda, caustic soda, and soaps. Base in our everyday life we use, for example, cake, baking soda, pastries, breads, etc. We have taken two conical flasks. In one flask, lemon juice, in other flask, soap water is present. What is lemon juice? Lemon juice is acid. Why it is acid? Because it is sour in taste, and other flasks contain soap water. It is in bitter in taste. So it is a base and it is slippery too. Now we will see few example of sour, soap or slippery to touch, and bitter. Sour taste, for example, yogurt, lemon, buttermilk, turmeric. Slippery to touch, for example, ladyfinger. Bitter taste, bitter gourd, fenugreek, etc. Next we will see indicator. Indicator means substance used to check whether the compound is acidic or base. Indicator means substance which change their color in presence of acid or base are called indicators. Indicators in laboratory. In the laboratory, litmus paper is mainly used to test alkali or base. This paper is made by an extract of plant, lichen plant. It is red or blue colored. Blue litmus paper turns red on dipping in acid, and red litmus turns blue by alkaline. Similarly, phenolphthalein, metallic orange, and metallic red are used in laboratory in solution form. Metallic orange indicator becomes pink in acid and yellow in alkaline. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid and bases, pink in alkaline. Universal indicator which are in equal state change their color in the presence of acid and base. In this picture, you are seeing laboratory indicator, for example, metallic orange, phenolphthalein, metallic red, litmus paper, etc. Let's do an activity with the help of indicator phenolphthalein, acid and base. In one beaker we will take acid, in second beaker we will take base. First indicator, natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric, it converted litmus paper is red and it converted into yellow. In base solution, blue litmus paper converted into red. Synthetic indicator, metallic orange and phenolphthalein. Red converted into colorless and yellow converted into pink. Natural acids, organic. A few substance having natural acid is called organic. Now substance vinegar. Vinegar contain acetic acid, orange, citric acid, tamarind, tetric acid, tomato, oxalic acid, curd, lactic acid, lemon, citric acid. Some natural and synthetic dyes shows colors in acidic and basic solution. Acid and base indicators are litmus paper, turmeric paper, metallic orange, phenolphthalein. Now we will see properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. Acid molecule contains hydrogen ion, means H plus, as a main constituent. Acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with carbonates and liberate CO2 gas. Blue litmus turns red in acid. Use of acids. Acids are used in the production of chemical fertilizers. Acids are used in the production of explosive, oil purification, medicines, dye and plants. Hydrochloric acid is used for the preparation of different types of chloride salt. Dilute H2SO4 acid is used in the battery's electric cell. We have seen that mineral acids are harmful to body. However, organic acids are present in our body and in plants which are useful to us. Proteins which are part of our body cell are made up of amino acid. Fat of our body is formed by fatty acid. Next we will see base or alkali. Alkali is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide, means OH minus ion. Some examples: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, etc. Properties of alkalines. Alkali has bitter taste. they are slippery. Alkalic contains hydroxide OH- as a main constituent. Metal oxides are generally alkaline in nature. Let's do one activity. In one beaker we will take acidic solution. In other beaker we will take alkalic solution. We will pour these two in one beaker. Then we will get salt plus water. Always it's happened like this only? Let's we do. Yes, always like this only happen. When acid and alkali mix, then we will get salt plus water because it is a neutralization reaction. Neutralization means we have seen that acid contains H plus hydrogen ions and alkali contains OH minus hydroxide ion. The reaction between an acid and alkaline to form the salt and water is termed as neutralization. This chemical reaction is called neutralization. Do you know, children? Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. It helps to case digestion process. However, excessive acid leads to indigestion. Antacids are used to control this hyperacidity. This medicine contains milk of magnesia MgOH2. Such alkaline medicine neutralize excess acid present in stomach. The acid of soil increases due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Now we will see acid and alkaline in detail. Acid means what? Acid has sour taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. An acid in an aqueous solution gives what we will get? H plus ion. Oxides of non-metals from acids. Now we will see alkaline. Alkaline has bitter to taste. Alkaline turns red litmus to blue and alkaline in aqueous solution gives OH plus ions. Oxides of metals forms bases. Lastly, we will see concentrated acid and quantity of acid. Dissolution of ions H2SO4 in water generates large amount of heat. Therefore, for dilute of concentrated acid, it is slowly added to water. Never add water in the concentrated sulfuric acid. It will produce heat and cause explosion. Alkaline like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong and acidic in nature. Their concentrated solution burns skin as it decomposes the protein in the skin.